And today, big announcement actually. Like, girl, I'm going to Jamaica this weekend. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's dark as hell today, so don't mind me looking like it's looking gloomy. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. And yup, I'm on the road. Whew. And today, big announcement actually. Like, girl, I'm going to Jamaica this weekend. So of course, first order of business. Well, not first order. Second order of business is to get my COVID test. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm on the way to get that done at the testing facility, which is like 5 minutes from me. And the first order of business was to like get the what you call it, the travel authorization from Jamaica. So I got that like 5 days ago. You could get that done like 5 days, 5 to 7 days before your travel date. So yeah, that's done out of the way. So now we're gonna be doing the COVID test and we're gonna see how long the line is. I hope it's not that long because I do have to go to the spa at 11:30 and right now it's 7:50. So hopefully I could go in and get out and leave there by 11 so I could get to the spa for your 11:30 appointment. I got a facial and a back massage to do. But anyway, y'all, let's get to this place, the gymnasium, get the COVID test done, and it's gonna come back negative by the help of God. So yeah, let's go. And I always forget to say this, but if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Like, what are you waiting on? Like, we're going to Jamaica. Like, we finna be in Jamaica. Well, I'm probably in Jamaica right now while this video is up. When this video gets uploaded. Yeah. Oh, so I'm at the gymnasium now. Still dark as hell. But tell me why. Tell me why, y'all. I know it's dark. It rained like hell yesterday. Tell me why I took it up on myself to not wear a mask, to not walk with my umbrella. Like, am I crazy? Like, am I too lazy? I think I'm too lazy. That's the only Jesus, this line is not ending. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all, that line is so long. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. Y'all, look at this line right here. So I guess this is the front, and then I'm gonna be going all the way down to the back. I'm sitting right now trying to rest my legs, and there are so many people behind me that came after. It's like crazy. Yeah, I finally made it to the door to actually pay for the test, and then I'm gonna have to join another line over there to do the actual test. It's now 11:26. No, it's now 11:46, and I'm literally right at the door. Let's see if they're gonna close for lunch before I get in. Hey y'all, I'm back home now. It took a total of 3 hours to get everything done today. Like, to stand in the line to go pay for the test, it took an hour and a half because I got there from 8. They open at 9, so I was there for 4 hours in total. But they open at 9. It took an hour and a half to get to the cashier to pay for the PCR test. And then after paying for the PCR test, I have to then join another short line to go, like, give the people my information, like my name, flight number, and stuff like that, my email address to send the results to. Join another short line for that. So that in total took an hour and a half. In that line, they gave you the thingy that they're gonna be putting the swab in. So anyway, got that. Then we joined another line
with a thing in our hand. I wish I took a picture of it, but I forgot. But anyway, joined another line that took to go into the tent to take the actual COVID test. That line took an hour and a half, y'all. Like, my legs were getting numb while I was standing up. Like, that's how rough it was out there in the sun, yeah, because they had tents out there, but the rain fell so hard yesterday, and the rain fell so hard yesterday that under the tents is just muddy, so ain't nobody gonna stand up underneath there. So yeah, I had to stand in the sun for so long. I swear my temperature must have been so high, tall, long. Standing in the sun for 3 hours, like, it was terrible. And yeah, it was $100 for the test, and honestly I wish they were moving faster. Like, but they were saying that they were understaffed because they had to send some of their staff to the airport because the airport staff got contaminated, so they had to send some of their whatever staff there. The COVID test itself was very short, took like a minute. Once you get in there, it takes like a minute to get the test done, and you leave. They say I'm gonna get my test tomorrow morning, so I'll just keep you all updated on that. But yeah, I'm home now, and I ate, I did all that stuff, and now I am packing again, and hopefully I'll see my test in the morning. But that was a very long process this morning. I had to cancel my spa appointment, so I'm not gonna go until tomorrow, which I didn't want to do because I didn't want to have any plans for my Friday. I just wanted my Friday to be an open day where I could just do all my last minute stuff, you know? Yeah, but anyway, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.
Hey y'all. Oh, the wind is strong out here. But anyway, I had to come back up here. It's Saturday today, y'all, and I had to come back because I didn't get my COVID test results. I was like, oh shit, what happening? So anyway, I came up here. We got through pretty quickly. I must say I got here like 9, and now it's what? It's currently 9:45 now, and they spelled my email address wrong, so that's why I didn't get my test result. They spelled my name was Romana when it's actually Romona. So yeah, I'm gonna go back home now, finish my packing, and then leave home at 1. So I made it through. I'm now sitting, waiting to go on the plane out there. There she is. So yeah, let's go. The lighting in here is terrible, but let's go. I have arrived in Jamaica. Welcomes you to Kingston right there. Oh, it changed. Sorry. But anyway, y'all, I have arrived. And right now, I'm hungry. I want people. I don't want people. The people I'm playing my cars. It's too small, and it just feel like I never want to get up. So anyway, I'm gonna reach. I'm there, and I'm gonna go home now. Peace. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
from the start.